Bhadoriya and O Bhadoriya are going to represent a working model on volcanic eruption. So let's get started.
Hello teachers, we have made this volcano with the help of a cardboard and some napkins. Now we are going to erupt this. Now let us learn a little science behind this eruption. We are going to use some two basic components which are baking soda and vinegar. These components will be used for the process of eruption. Baking soda will act as a base and vinegar will act as an acid, and it's an acid-base reaction. Now we will erupt the volcano. First we will add some baking soda. Now we will add some tablespoon of Vim liquid soap. Now we will use the food coloring which will give it the color of lava. Cause eruption. As you can see, our volcano is erupting now.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
As you can see, our volcano is erupting now.